Ever pondered how some YouTubers seem to turn their videos into gold, how they transform their passion into a lucrative career, all while having the time of their lives? Well, pull up a chair because we're about to dive into the secret sauce of YouTube success. And don't worry, there won't be any vague or generic advice here. We're talking practical, proven strategies that can put you on the fast track to YouTube stardom. First off, never underestimate the power of a unique and compelling idea. YouTube houses millions of videos, and to stand out, you need to offer something different, something that only you can deliver. Find your niche, whether it's cooking, gaming, fashion, or anything in between. Then make it your own. Be authentic, be original, and never forget to add your personal touch. Next, think about your audience. Who are they? What do they want to see? Understanding your audience is key to producing content that resonates and engages. Remember, YouTube isn't just about broadcasting, it's about building a community. So interact with your viewers, respond to their comments, and take their feedback seriously. Quality also matters. Invest in good equipment and learn the basics of video editing. You don't need a Hollywood budget, but you do need clear audio, good lighting, and well-edited content. This shows your audience that you respect their time and you're serious about what you do. Consistency is another crucial element. Stick to a regular upload schedule. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also keeps YouTube's algorithm happy. And when the algorithm is happy, your videos are more likely to get recommended to new viewers. Now, on to the big one, monetization. There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Ad revenue is the most common, but it's not the only one. You can also earn from sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. And don't forget about YouTube's partner program, which offers additional perks like premium advertising and channel memberships. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategies, you can turn your YouTube channel into a rewarding and profitable venture. So to sum up, find your unique niche and understand your audience. Invest in quality and be consistent with your uploads, and explore all the monetization options that YouTube offers. Follow these steps, and you could be the next YouTube sensation, enjoying a career that's not just profitable but also fulfilling and fun. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a world of opportunities, and with the right approach, you can make this world yours. So what are you waiting for? Your YouTube journey starts now.